Many solopreneurs believe their business isn't growing because they're not working hard enough. They internalize the struggle, thinking that if they just put in more hours, push themselves further, or sacrifice more, things will finally click. They see others succeed and assume it's all about longer hours and more sacrifice. Social media feeds this belief, showing highlight reels of endless hustle and overnight wins. This mindset leads to guilt, exhaustion, and a never-ending treadmill. You start to feel like you're always behind no matter how much you do. The truth? Most struggling solopreneurs are already working incredibly hard. They're burning the candle at both ends, trying to keep up. The real issue isn't effort. It's building a business the wrong way. Hard work alone can't fix a broken system or a flawed strategy. They follow an outdated playbook. More services, more clients, more hustle. But this only multiplies stress and complexity. This creates a business that's entirely dependent on their time and energy. Every task, every client, every dollar relies on their direct involvement. Every new dollar costs another piece of their life, leading straight to burnout. The more they earn, the more they sacrifice. The problem is a fragile foundation where you're the single point of failure. If you step away, everything grinds to a halt. Trading time for money means you have a job, not a scalable business. Your income is capped by your own capacity. There's a hard ceiling on your income and your hours. No matter how efficient you get, there are only so many hours in a day. To break through, you need to work smarter, not harder. It's about designing a business that supports your life, not consumes it. The solopreneurs who thrive in 2026 will build systems and assets that work for them. They'll leverage automation, delegation, and digital products. They'll create value that isn't tied to the clock. Their business will generate income even when they're not actively working. Stop blaming yourself for not being productive enough. Start rethinking your business structure. The solution isn't more hustle, it's a smarter approach. The goal isn't to become a superhero, it's to build a business that thrives even when you take a break. That's how you create true freedom as a solopreneur. Hustle culture says success comes from relentless grinding and endless hours. But in 2026, working harder is a losing game. Your energy is finite. There are only 24 hours in a day. You can't just add more. Overwork leads to diminishing returns, mistakes, poor decisions, and lost creativity. We're in a knowledge economy where your mind, not your hours, is your greatest asset. Burning out on repetitive tasks wastes your true potential. The old model of more clients, more hours, just adds complexity and stress. The real question is, how can you achieve more with less effort? Value your time and focus on activities with the highest return. Escape the hustle trap. Build a business that serves you, not the other way around. Burnout isn't just about working too many hours, it's about complexity. As you add more services, clients, and platforms, your business becomes a tangled machine. Complexity drains your mental energy and forces constant context switching. You end up putting out fires, instead of building for the future. 10 hours on focused work can be energizing. 10 hours juggling low-impact tasks is soul-crushing. A complex business keeps you stuck in the weeds, always reacting. The solution isn't more energy, it's ruthless simplification. Focus on a single audience, a limited suite of products, and streamlined processes. Fewer decisions mean more mental bandwidth for high-leverage work. Simplicity creates clarity, and clarity is the foundation for sustainable growth. Stop trying to do everything, do a few things exceptionally well. That's how you scale without burning out. If work more, earn more is broken, what's the new formula? It's simple. Audience X, leverage X systems. Scalable income. Audience, a group who knows, likes, and trusts you, your community, not just followers. Without an audience, you're always chasing new customers. Leverage. Get outsized results from your effort. Create assets like digital products or evergreen content that pay you back repeatedly. Systems. Repeatable processes and automations that run your business without you. Systems handle the day-to-day, freeing you from constant decisions. When you combine these three, you build a business that grows without demanding more of your time. Focus on building a loyal audience, creating leveraged assets, and implementing strong systems. This is the engine for exponential stress-free growth. It's not about working harder, it's about building smarter. Tattoo this formula on your brain. That's the path to scalable income. Audience is the foundation of scaling. Without one, even the best product goes unnoticed. Building an audience isn't about follower counts, it's about trust and clarity. Know exactly who you serve and what problem you solve. A vague message attracts a vague audience. Specificity makes you memorable. Consistently provide value for free through YouTube, blogs, podcasts, or newsletters. Every piece of content is a deposit in the trust bank. Help people solve small problems, and they'll trust you with bigger ones. Niche down. Become the go-to expert for a specific group. A narrow focus builds deep connections and makes referrals easy. Your audience becomes your distribution channel. No more chasing leads. Serve your audience first, be generous and stay consistent. Do this, and you'll have a solid foundation for a scalable business. Clarity and trust are your greatest assets. With an engaged audience, it's time to apply leverage. This is the moment where your efforts can start to multiply, and your business can truly begin to scale beyond your own hours. Leverage breaks the link between your time and your income. Instead of being paid only for the hours you work, you can earn even while you sleep or focus on new projects. The most powerful forms of leverage are code, like software and digital products, and media, such as videos, podcasts, and articles. These tools let you reach thousands, even millions, with the same effort. These assets can be sold or consumed thousands of times with no extra effort. Each sale or view happens automatically, freeing you from the need to be present every time. Move from custom, one-on-one services to scalable products, ebooks, courses, templates, or tools. This shift allows you to help more people and grow your impact. Build it once, sell it infinitely. Your work becomes an asset that keeps delivering value long after you've finished creating it. Repurpose content. A single video can become a podcast, blog post, social media clips, and more. One effort, many outputs. This multiplies your reach and maximizes your content's value. Shift your mindset from trading time to building assets. Focus on creating things that work for you, even when you're not working. Your course, evergreen video, and email list are all assets that work for you. They continue to grow your business and audience automatically. Focus on creating leveraged assets for financial and time freedom. This is how you build a business that supports your lifestyle, not the other way around. Let your business work while you rest or create your next big idea. Leverage gives you the space to innovate and enjoy life. Leverage is the key to exponential growth. It's how small actions today can lead to massive results tomorrow. Stop thinking like an employee. Think like an investor in your own business. That's how you scale, and that's how you unlock true growth. Systems are the final piece, how you sell and run your business without constant intervention. They're the structures that create consistency, reduce errors, and free up your time. Without systems, even a great business collapses under operational weight. A system is a repeatable process for a desired outcome. Reduce daily decisions, batch tasks, automate workflows. For example, have a set content creation schedule. Brainstorm, script, record, publish. Automation tools can handle onboarding, email sequences, and customer support. Build checklists, templates, and automations. Every system you create is a task you never have to do again. Systems let you step away without chaos. Focus your time on strategy, not admin. Systems turn your business into a well-oiled machine. That's true freedom. Let's bring it all together with 3 essential pillars for burnout-free scaling. Build once, sell daily, content that compounds, and fewer, stronger offers. These are the foundations that allow you to grow your business without sacrificing your well-being or burning out along the way. The first pillar is build once, sell daily. This means creating a high-value asset like a signature course, a digital guide, or a membership, and then focusing your energy on attracting people to it, rather than constantly reinventing the wheel. By investing your time up front to build something truly valuable, you set yourself up for ongoing sales and impact. Use automation and smart systems to sell it every day, even while you sleep or focus on other parts of your life. This approach simplifies your business, creates predictable income, and frees up your time for what matters most. The second pillar is to create content that compounds. Focus on evergreen content. How-to guides, tutorials, and deep dives that continue to attract new audience members for months or even years after you publish them. Don't get stuck on the content treadmill, always chasing the next post. Instead, let your best work do the heavy lifting for you over time. The third pillar is fewer offers, stronger signal. Clarity is a superpower in business. When customers land on your site, they should instantly know what you do, who you help, and how you can solve their problem. Too many offers create confusion, overwhelm, and ultimately inaction. People simply leave. Simplify to 1 or 2 core offers for a clear, strong message that stands out and resonates. This makes decisions easy for your customers and keeps your operations streamlined and manageable for you. Simplicity not only increases sales, but also reduces stress and helps you enjoy your business journey. Focus, clarity, and leverage. These are your path to burnout-free scaling and sustainable growth. Build valuable assets, create evergreen content, and keep your offer simple and clear. That's how you scale sustainably, with less stress and more freedom. What does a week look like for a solopreneur who's implemented these principles? It's calm, focused, and productive. No more reacting to endless demands, just executing a clear, intentional plan. Work 30-40 focused hours each week, with time for rest and family. Monday, deep work on content creation, like one high-value video or article. Repurpose that content for social media and newsletters to maximize reach. Tuesday, systems and optimization, review funnels, tweak processes, and improve efficiency. The rest of the week, audience engagement, learning, and strategic planning. Friday, maybe a half day, or even a full day off. Systems keep the business running and sales coming in, even when you're away. This is what scalable freedom looks like: intentional, focused, and truly sustainable. Build a business that supports your life, not one that consumes it entirely. For years, entrepreneurs asked, how do I grow faster? Leading to hustle and burnout. In 2026, the better question is, how do I make growth easier? Shift from effort to elegance, from hustle to systems. Stop being the hero who does everything. Become the architect who designs a business that runs itself. Think in terms of assets, not tasks. A blog post is an asset. An online course is an automated income stream. Accumulate assets that generate value without your direct involvement. Embrace simplicity. Remove unnecessary services. Automate or eliminate tasks. Focus on one core audience, message, and leveraged offer. Go deep, not wide. Choose the path of smart simplification, strategic leverage, and robust systems. Ask yourself, how can I make my growth easier? The answer leads to a bigger business and a better life.